So hello guys, this is me V Vaibhav. So today we are going to complete the tutorial 7. So this time I am not going to show you how to do the tutorial 7. Instead I will show you what I have done, and from that I will send you the links of my projects in the description box. You can check that out and you can make your own projects as an example. So, okay. So I am doing this project. So that's it. So I made a huge wall in Minecraft. Okay. So that was the project I've shown. Okay. Minecraft Destroyer. Minecraft Random. Okay. Okay. Now I'm doing. Okay. And this. Okay, done. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, that's it. So now I've done Minecraft Robot. Minecraft Destroyer. Done. This is also a very simple project. And I'm just doing random. So I see the sheep is following me. Okay. now the sheep cannot follow me. Oh, this will do. So this is what I did. So these are the most simple projects. I will send you all of the links in the description box. You can check it out. Thank you guys. This is the end of the code.org tutorials, and the next coding tutorials will be in Scratch. So until then I will upload some more educational videos. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.